The Finnish smartphone manufacturer HMD Global has launched its new smartphone in Thailand called HMD Arc. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The HMD Arc features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display, with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone features a 13-megapixel main camera under the squarish module at the top left corner. Under the hood, the HMD Arc comes powered by Uni SoC SC9863A chipset, paired with IMG 8322 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 2 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box under Go Edition. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 76.9 by 8.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 185.4 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The HMD Arc has been priced in Thailand at 2,299 Thai baht, and it is now available for purchase in the country in shadow black and purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this HMD Arc smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.